this way.
Let's go! Alright, now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species.
400? There's so many of them.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Oh, look!
No way.
Wow. Okay, wait. Before we carry on, I have an important information for you, okay? 400 avian species in the park, enough birds for you?
Of course not. I want to see more birds, Sabrina.
Of course not, you crazy birder. Okay, never mind. Since Calvin wants to see more birds, let's welcome some special friends of the park, shall we? And here they come!
hello.
Okay. So right here with me, this is Gaia. Gaia is our hyacinth cocoon. Hyacinth cocoons are the largest in the parrot family. Gaia here is about 14 years old.
With me are Katie, the sulfur-crested cockatoo. Sulfur-crested cockatoo can be found in Indonesia as well as Australia. They get their name from the yellow crest on their head. You see that little crest? It is yellow, just like sulfur. Hence the name sulfur-crested cockatoo.
So parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. That means they love to take advantage of abandoned tree cavities and tree hollows to build their nest, just like this one.
The next step for them will be nesting materials. They will use tree bark, dried leaves, and even twigs to drop it into the nest cavity, like the one you see right over here. If the cavity is too small, they'll use their beaks to enlarge them. What are we waiting for? Let's see the birds in action.
Okay, everyone, if you want to see what's happening from the inside, take a look at the screen.
Oh, it's Katie's turn. Where's the stick, Katie? This is the stick. There it is.
Aren't they adorable?